Well, happy day to everybody. Hopefully everybody's enjoying their day. We're on location up at the headquarters, North Rusty Ranch location. We picked this up today. We made the deal a few months ago, but we were waiting on the gentleman to get back from out of town. So here it is. This is a 1965 Ford. I guess you could consider it a bread truck. You can see some remnants. It said Hostess Cakes on it. But quick walk around, it was painted. I don't know if the body's fiberglass or aluminum. We haven't really dug too much into it. I mean, there's panels. This rolls up still. The guy was using it for his electrical company back in the 90s, and it got parked. And pretty much when he retired, he used it as a storage shed. So make out the Hostess Cake there. It's got a Ford drivetrain, I believe, Ford, axles, chassis underneath it. But overall, it's a manual. I think it's a 3-speed trans. We're going to have to get the shifter back in it, but it is a neutral, thankfully. Inline 6. I think it's got a 1 barrel in it, but no shelving in it, really. This is pretty much it. We haven't really done anything to it. We put some tires on it because they were flat, but pretty cool all-over truck. Unsure what the plans are with it right now. We just wanted to get it back here, but there's a small heater there, a fan, and the wiper motor there. So these are very basic, delivery vehicles. You're in and out of them pretty quickly. Unsure if this is the original seat or not for it. It looks like it swings up and out. Side door opens only on the passenger side, and then it's got a back roll-up door that opens currently. So it's got some junk in it, but not much. He fortunately had it cleaned out. We'll probably get rid of this. It's got a good piece of side glass. But wanted to share it with everybody. It's a pretty cool step van, as I would call them. Unsure what we're going to do with it. We'd love to get it back on the road, but as you know, we have a ton of projects going on, and life gets extremely busy. But a lot of guys are redoing these. We see a lot of Chevy ones. I haven't seen many Ford ones of this body style, so maybe I'll start paying attention more. But hopefully everybody's day's going well. You guys are finding good leads and finding cool stuff and getting this stuff back out of the road so it can be enjoyed. A couple of my Jeeps sitting there too. Beautiful day up here. Good old plow truck. We're up in Michigan, of course. So be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. As always, we're always after muscle cars, Jeeps, motorcycles, pretty much anything with an engine on it. My email is in my bio on Instagram and I believe on the YouTube channel. So if anybody needs to get a hold of me, you can get a hold of me through my email. So enjoy the day, and happy hunting, everybody.